In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist for 100% productivity. Whether you're new to productivity apps or a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills, these steps will guide you in effectively utilizing Todoist to organize your tasks and maximize your efficiency. First things first, start by logging into your Todoist account. You can do this using a web browser or the desktop app, whichever you find more convenient. Make sure your setup is ready to support your journey to enhance productivity. Now let's dive into setting up your Todoist effectively. Begin by creating projects. Think of projects as categories that will help you compartmentalize your tasks. Common categories include work, personal, family, and learning. This categorization will make it easier for you to switch context and focus on the task at hand. Once you have your project set up, it's time to use sections within these projects. Sections can help you define different stages of your tasks. For instance, you might have sections like to do, in progress, and completed. This way you'll have a clear visual representation of where you stand with your tasks. Setting priorities is another key element. Todoist allows you to use priority flags ranging from P1 to P4. These flags help you differentiate tasks based on their urgency and importance. By setting clear priorities, you ensure that you're always focused on what truly matters and avoid getting caught up in less crucial tasks. Next up, mastering task management is essential to reaching peak productivity. One nifty feature you'll want to take advantage of is Quick Add. By pressing Q, you can rapidly capture ideas and tasks on the go, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Scheduling tasks with due dates and reminders is vital for maintaining a steady workflow. Todoist even allows you to create recurring tasks with ease. For example, set a task for every Monday or tomorrow at 10 AM, helping you stay organized with minimal effort. Additionally, Todoist's natural language input is a true game changer. You can type phrases like submit report next Friday or call mum every 2 weeks, and Todoist will automatically create tasks with the correct dates and frequencies. This intuitive feature minimizes the need for extensive manual entry and boosts your productivity further. Finally, let me share some bonus tips to push your productivity to 100%. Consider using pre-made templates for recurring projects or tasks. This is a great way to streamline your workflow. Collaboration in Todoist is seamless. You can share projects with teammates or family members for open and transparent collaboration. Additionally, explore connecting Todoist with tools like Zapier or IFTTT. These automations can handle repetitive tasks for you, freeing up your time for higher priority activities. With these strategies, you're well on your way to achieving 100% productivity with Todoist. Keep experimenting with these features to find what works best for your personal and professional life. Happy organizing!